Reality check, man, from your device, you know. You know, it's a aromatic realistic TV. Anyway, tonight, people, me not even not waste no time, you know. We are looking at the Usain Bolt thing. 10 million and 8 missing. Left 2. Let me repeat. 10 million. 8 missing, left 2. What I want to try to show Bolt them, say. The same fire or roast crab. I eat roast soldier. You know what I say? The same fire or roast crab, brother. I eat roast soldier. I have never seen these people do nothing to poor people. And one of you guys come out and talk on behalf of the poor people of Jamaica, knowing that you yourself is coming from a poor home. Never. You understand? But anyway, put that aside. Brethren, you go out there and you run your ass off. You wave the Jamaican banner and the Jamaica flags worldwide, all over the world. Put away Bob Marley. You're the second biggest thing come out of Jamaica. Not even the Prime Minister of Jamaica knowing as you, Usain Bolt. But what I want to try to show you, brother, it's corporate Jamaica and the rich and the elites of Jamaica from morning them they love you. Let me repeat. Corporate Jamaica, the rich and the elites of Jamaica from morning them they love you because you're poor. If it wasn't for your talent, brother, and you come across some funds, brother, you can move, go live where some of them live. You can go to the same cocktail party with some of them. You can go in a them car dealership, go buy them biggest and them latest model car. Them wouldn't talk to you, brother. Because rich people and poor people, for them think different. You see what I mean? Rich people will never accommodate poor people. But check the ratio. Poor people will always can accommodate rich people. Look what Guanya say now. Where is Nigel Clark, the Minister of Finance? If you come out, come talk to the country about this. Where is the Prime Minister on this, Andrew Holness? Minister of Ports and Culture, Olivia Babsy Grange, who gets so much hype. After Usain Bolt, them always dead around him. They get the glory. Where Babsy Grange, them and the whole of them there. If you come out, come talk about the youth money. There's nowhere to be found. I said, put away Bob Marley. Usain Bolt is the second biggest thing come out of Jamaica. Himself, Jamaica, globally. When people ask about two persons, Bob Marley and Usain Bolt. So when Nigel Clark, them Angie Holness and Babsy Grange, all of them. But listen, what I say already, and I'm going to say it again. Remember, say, corporate Jamaica, the rich and the elites of Jamaica, then they love you from morning because you know poor. And the rich and the poor no mesh. The rich and the poor no mesh, brother. Sometimes you lose your way. Because you no remember where you come from. And I pay a little man, vlogger and everybody I know me take up the case and I run with it. I have never seen you come out on behalf of the Jamaican people. It doesn't matter what this government do to them. You're not silent because you know claim say we're not down there anymore. We are at a different place. But I'm saying to you tonight, the same fire roast crab, brother. I eat roast soldier. But give Caesar what due to them. You run out your heart. You wave the flags of the banner all over the world. You work for your money. And there is no way the government of Jamaica should silent on this. Them should have give a press conference on this already. regarding to your money, brother. They're missing. But as I said, remember, them never love you from morning. And them now gonna love you evening. Remember that. That is it. Not another word. Stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. I'm out. That is it.